Welcome to AmaSuite version 4, the ultimate software and training toolkit for both Amazon affiliates and Amazon sellers. My name is Dave Gwyndon, and along with Chris Guthrie, we have teamed up once again to bring you the next major release of our famous AmaSuite software, along with brand new training modules. And in this video, I will give you a brief demonstration of our newly updated software. But more importantly, show how you can utilize these powerful tools and training to earn money as an Amazon affiliate or earn money as an Amazon seller. Now, in the past, AmaSuite was focused on Amazon affiliate marketing, but with version 4, we have integrated new features and added new training modules for Amazon sellers. In fact, currently there is a massive shift in our industry where online marketers are selling private labeled physical products on Amazon and making upwards of 5 to 7 figures per month. And the best part is, this can be a fully functional side business that really does require little maintenance, which is basically one of the reasons why it's such an attractive business model. Now here I am at the Google Images, and I just searched for Amazon Sellers account screenshot, and you can quickly see there are hundreds of screenshots of marketers making a lot of money as an Amazon seller. Now, let's take a look at the first one right here. You could see that this particular person made $500,000 in just 1 year. So this is a very good, lucrative business that you can run with very little maintenance. And if you just keep searching here, you can see there are hundreds and hundreds of screenshots of other people having massive success by selling their own products on Amazon. In fact, my partner Chris Guthrie has made a lot of money as an affiliate through the Amazon Associates program. You can see here he's done over $102,000 in earnings, and that's his commissions. He in fact sold $1.6 million in product to earn those commissions. But most recently, Chris Guthrie has been doing more Amazon selling. So he's been selling his own physical product, and you can see here, just only doing it for a limited amount of time. We're talking less than a year here. He's already passed 6 figures, making over $100,000 by selling a product on Amazon. Now let me just quickly hand it over to Chris here for like 2 minutes. He's just going to take you inside of his seller's account and talk a little bit more about how he's been doing this and show you the live results of how much money he's making right now by just selling a few products on Amazon. It's actually awesome. Check this out.
All right, so I wanted to take a moment just to show you my sales stats and walk you through them. So you can see, of course, I don't have any sales from the previous time. I only started selling back in July of 2014. July 28th was my first sale, and I intentionally priced my initial product lower pricing, but I got a few sales then and slowly started to grow and grow, more reviews, better listing improvements, etc. And then around this time in early September, I was actually in Disneyland. So I would get back to my hotel room and I'd check to see how many sales I have, and I'd be like, oh wow, I just paid for my park tickets. And it was great, right? So that's what I was doing, and then I ran out of stock. I kept trying to see what I could do to stay in stock, but I ran out. And shortly thereafter, I came back in with some more stock and was able to sell at a higher price point and cruise along like that. And so sales continues to do very well, thousands and thousands of dollars a month. And December, things started heating up. December, I did 20,000 plus in sales. And then in January, things kept going. And that's the surprising part. I thought that this January would kind of drop off, but January actually I did $26,000 in sales. And then in February, I dropped just a little bit down to about 20,000 in sales, but February's a shorter month than January, of course. But now off in March, off to an even better start than in January, and most recently, 101 plus units so far today, and I'm recording this just before midnight on March 11th, 2015. So altogether, $116,750.42 in sales off 7,326 units. And then of these sales, I get roughly a 40% margin. Now, it might be a little bit lower than that, in part because of initially priced my product lower, but you can see the average is about a $16.50 purchase price that I'm selling my items at. And I started with just one, and I had just one for a long time period. And then only more recently have I started adding more products. And now I'm just going through and scaling up these other products. So with just one product, though, I was into the 20,000 plus range in sales, and certainly well above a median U.S. household income. And again, this is just a side business. I built this business on the side, in part because someone reached out to me and talked to me about how they were building this business, and I was so surprised how well they were doing it when their day job was just as an accountant. And they had no really experience with internet businesses, and here I was with half a decade plus of internet experience building businesses, and this guy was doing better than I was in my other businesses combined. And so I said, okay, I got to do this. And so I got into it. And now in 2015, I'm really trying to ramp things up, launching considerably more products. And I wouldn't be surprised if this doesn't grow considerably higher than it was in the 2014 timeframe. So thank you so much for checking out these stats. But I wanted to just go through my account here so you can see that. But 100,000 plus in sales, and I'm continuing to grow that business. And I should expect that to be much, much larger as we continue on through 2015.
So as you can see, you can make a lot of money from selling products on Amazon. Now, we do have to say that those are not typical results. It's obviously how much work you want to put into the business for how much money you want to make. But we want to show you just how much you can make. And like Chris just said, he doesn't actually spend a lot of time on that business. It's just a side business. So what we've done, we've actually added a brand new training course to our AmaSuite version 4 product. So you not only get the Amazon affiliate training course, but now you get Chris Guthrie's Amazon sellers training course. And he takes you through everything he does on how he made all that money by selling private label products on Amazon. Next, I want to give you a brief demonstration of each of the 4 software products included inside the AmaSuite version 4 package. And the first thing I want to say is that all 4 of the software programs have been completely redesigned from the ground up, and all 4 of them now work on both Mac computers as well as PC computers. And the best part is, it's actually native Mac software and native PC software, so it's not running on that Adobe Air platform. This is complete native software that works on both Mac and PC. First, let's take a look at the Azon keyword generator. Now, before I start, I do want to say it's not really possible for me to go through all the features in this video for all 4 software programs, or else we'd be watching this video for several hours. There's a lot of features in here, so I'm just going to do a brief introduction of the 4 software products, but we do have a ton of help videos and training tutorials waiting for you in the members area, which will show you how to use everything to do with the software. Let's get started. Let's say, for example, you want to sell physical products or promote products in the barbecue niche. All you would have to do here for the keyword generator tool is just go ahead and type in barbecue and then just hit the search button, and it's going to go out to Amazon and it's going to get the top searched keywords that contain the word barbecue. You see that right there. We got 218 keywords just like that, really, really quickly. And these keywords come in real handy when you want to do things like sponsored ad campaigns on Amazon, or you want to put these keywords in your product titles and your descriptions, also as bullet points. All of these keywords are very important to be injecting into your marketing as a seller or an affiliate, because these are the keywords that customers are looking for when they're on Amazon. And remember, people go to Amazon to buy stuff. They're not there to research things like you do on Google. Completely different mindset. People go to Google to look for information, and they end up going to Amazon looking for something to buy. So that's what we have to use here, the buyer keywords. Now, if we just sort by rank, we could see all the number 1 ranked keywords, and you can quickly go through here and get some ideas of, stuff that you could possibly private label. A lot of these things are really easy to private label, like a barbecue rub, a barbecue kit, some beef jerky, a lighter, a brush, a pit. Like, you go on and on and on. You've got so many different ideas and keywords you can get from this actual software. It's incredible. Now, take a look at this. If you just double click on one of the actual keywords, it will bring up the history in Google for that corresponding keyword. And so you can see here the search trend. And you can see this is a really good keyword. As you can see, the actual trend is rising over time. So that means there's more interest for this particular keyword, which is barbecue pit. So that could be a possible product that you could private label. And in fact, Chris can show you how to do that in the training videos. Now, of course, that's just an example because a barbecue pit may be too heavy to ship. So Chris likes to use products that are, lightweight in order to increase your margins. So unless you can find a barbecue pit that's actually pretty light, then this could possibly be a really good product. You can also search the Amazon UK site as well, but I do want to show you where these keywords are coming from so you have a better understanding why they're so valuable. When you go to Amazon.com and you see their little search bar here, when you start typing in the word barbecue, you will see all these suggestions down here. Now, these are the keywords that Amazon is telling you that's the next most searched keyword that other people are actually searching for. So, what we do is we extract those keywords, and that's where they're coming from. So you can see just how valuable this software really is. Another little feature here is the instant search. Say you're looking for something very specific, like burner. As you type, it will automatically filter out the results as you're typing. So that's the instant search feature, which actually is in all the software products. Now let's take a look at the Azon Top 100 Analyzer version 4. We've added some awesome new features to this software that is going to blow your mind. And this software tool is really handy for trying to figure out what you want to sell on Amazon. So let's say you have absolutely no idea what you want to sell. This is the perfect tool for finding out that information. And as I'm going to show you here, it's really powerful. You can dig down as deep as you want to any level, any category, and you can figure out exactly what you want to sell. And Chris Guthrie shows you how to do that, and he gives you a set of parameters to follow in order to make that decision. What this software does, it extracts the top 100 products for different data sources. So the data sources are the best sellers, the hot new releases, movers and shakers, top rated, most wished for, and also most gifted. So what you have here is two different options. You can look at the top 100 best sellers in a given category and a subcategory if you like. For example, let's go into, car seats under the baby main category. And another big feature that we integrated in here is the ability to select any category, an unlimited number of categories. Now, there's actually thousands of categories on Amazon.com and like thousands of categories on the UK site as well. It's actually quite incredible just how many categories there are. So as you can imagine, it's pretty much impossible to put all those categories in here, but I figured out a way to do it. So you can go down to any category you want, as deep as you want to go, and add as many categories to analyze as you want. Let's just do a real quick little search here. So click the green button at the top, and what it's doing, it's going out to Amazon, extracting all of this information about all these different top 100 products, and it's very fast. And what we're getting here is the rank, the title, the product listing, sale price, how much you save, the percentage savings, the commissions you will get if you're an Amazon seller, the ratings, and the reviews. Now you'll see some columns here with no data in it yet. Well, we added this new little button here. If you click the More Data button, what you can do here is extract the main category and the main rank for the overall Amazon website. So this is one of the most important pieces of information you need as an Amazon seller, because you need to know where this particular product will rank overall amongst all the products in the main category, not the subcategory. In fact, Chris Guthrie really didn't want me to put this feature in the software. He was begging me not to because obviously he's being successful selling on Amazon. He's like, I don't want to give out this information. But I twisted his arm a little bit and we added it to this version. In addition, it's also extracting more information over here, in particular the weight of the actual product and whether or not the product is being shipped by Amazon or if it's using the fulfillment by Amazon. So in other words, is the vendor shipping it or is Amazon doing it? So that's a real important thing to know as an Amazon seller. And for the weight, that's a really good thing to know. So you know whether or not it's easy to ship or not, because there are shipping costs. So these are some variables you really need to know when you're trying to sell products on Amazon. And the Azon Top 100 Analyzer just gives you that information for you right away, just like that. And so there are a ton of different features in here. Let me just quickly show you a few. You can go ahead and click the preview button and it instantly shows you all the products right away inside of an interactive report. And in fact, we do have customers that actually sell these reports on sites like Fiverr or to their own clients. There are Amazon sellers and affiliates out there that need this information and will pay top dollar for these reports. So that's how just another way you can make money with the software. And all of the software that we provide here at AmaSuite, they all create reports. So you can go ahead and use the reports for different reasons. And as with the keyword generator, you also have the instant search feature where you can just start typing and it will go ahead and filter as you type. So if you type the word baby, it'll start filtering it out for you. You also have built-in filters, so you can just bring up the built-in filter tool and you can filter anything you want. You just select the actual column. Let's say you just want to see products that have a certain list price that is greater than $10. And you can add another filter, as many as you want, but you want to see ones that have reviews of greater than, let's say, 200. Click apply, and in the background, it automatically filters everything out for you. Now, another awesome feature we integrated into version 4 is the ability to add multiple categories inside the manual select method. Now, as you can see here in the quick select, all you can do is select a main category and a subcategory. But as I already mentioned, there are thousands of categories on Amazon. And you can imagine, as a seller, you need to dig really deep. Well, this software will actually allow you to dig as deep as you want to go. In fact, I don't even think there's any other software product out there right now in the market that lets you do this. It gives you that ability. Let me quickly show you what I mean. All you have to do is click this categories button here, and it brings up a built-in web browser. And then all you need to do is just go to the actual department you want to go to. Let's say you want to sell something in the barbecue niche. So let's just go ahead down to patio, lawn, and garden here. And we can find the barbecue stuff in here. Say like grills and outdoor cooking here. And we can go ahead and just keep clicking down as far as we want to go until we want to find a category that we want to analyze. So I've gone right down to the bottom there. And all we have to do is click this add button and it will add it to our list over here in this text box. And so we can go back and let's see, we try freestanding grills. We can also add that too. Or we can go back to a category up and look at, I don't know, let's say outdoor cooking tools and accessories. Look at cleaning and maintenance tools. Combinational grill brushes and scrapers. So you can just keep going and going and going. We can add that category as well. So we've added 3 categories and you can add unlimited number of categories. So that's good enough. Let's go ahead and click go, and it's going to go and get the best sellers in those deep categories that are deep within Amazon that most software products won't even allow you to research. And now we can go ahead and use the get more data. And now this is where it gets really interesting, because now what we can do is we can see the main rank within the main category. The rank over here that you see is just the rank within that sub category that we found with the built-in grills. But this will tell you the main rank. So now we have a chance to look at certain products that are ranked too high. So the lower the rank, the more that actual product is selling. And when you try to get a product that's like number 1 ranked overall, it's really, really hard to compete with all the other sellers. So you want to be kind of sticking in, stick to different products that have a range in like over 2,000 to over 5,000 sort of thing. You can see all these here have really low main ranks. That means you can come in, create a similar product and make it better, and then dominate that category and make good money. In fact, that's exactly what Chris Guthrie is doing. So you can quickly see just how powerful this software is and how easy you can use it to try to pinpoint products that you can sell on Amazon, or you could still use the software as an Amazon affiliate. In fact, you can see here at the top, I'm just going to pause this search here. You can add your Amazon affiliate ID, and then you can generate a report just by simply clicking Save, Export Interactive HTML Report, and your affiliate link will be injected into each and every one of those products. And then you can sell that report online and earn commissions. So there's a lot of different ways you can utilize this software. In fact, you can actually just select a bunch, right click, and you can copy the ASIN numbers, the Amazon Standard Identification numbers, which is these numbers right here. And then you can actually put them into different WordPress plugins. And in fact, we actually have one as a bonus on this order page. On the sales page down below, you'll find that there's an Amasync plugin. You can actually just copy these and plug it right into the Amasync plugin, and boom, you got those actual products with your affiliate link in them on your blog. Very powerful. Another handy little feature we just integrated into version 4 is this little calculator. You click that button, it'll take you on over to the Amazon US calculator or the UK calculator. And that little tool is handy for figuring out your costs, or basically what are other people, like what are the profits they're making on a given product. So let's just look through here and let's look at a given product here that's not too expensive. Let's take a look here at something like this one right here. Whatever it's a charcoal of some sort, charcoal thing. Not sure what it is. Let's go ahead and right click and copy the ASIN number. And let's bring up that fulfillment calculator. And we just paste that, right click and paste and go search. And what it's doing is it's coming in here, and you can use this calculator to figure out, well, how much profit is this particular person making? So you can come back here and you look at the list price. So let's go ahead and copy that. So right click and copy selected item and go here and right click and paste, and you hit calculate. Then you can see basically how much money the actual vendor is making for that product. And so it just gives you another way of trying to figure out your total costs. So you can also put in shipping costs and things like that in here. Then you can figure out your unit cost. And then you can subtract how much it's going to cost from your supplier and things like that. But this is a handy little tool, and we made it accessible from just a single click of a button. So you can do this for both Amazon US or the UK. Next, let's take a look at the Product Inspector. The Product Inspector software is used once you've kind of figured out what you want to research by going through the keyword generator and also the top 100 analyzer. Once you've got an idea of something you want to look at and sort of investigate further, this comes in real handy. So it's kind of similar to the Amazon Top 100 Analyzer, except the fact that you can actually search in here. So in the other one, you don't search, you just select categories and actually analyze categories. But this one, you can actually search by keyword. So let's say, for example, you know that you want to do like a silicone spatula. So we can just go ahead and enter that in there. Then we can select our category. So let's say we select the home kitchen. We can also select by relevance, like popularity. And then in the optional section here, we can also do a price range, a rating. Let's say we just want to look at things that have a rating of greater than 2. And also a discount. And we can also inject our affiliate ID, just like with the Amazon Top 100 Analyzer. Let's go ahead and click search. And you can see here just how fast it really is. It's just pulling down the information super fast. We're already at over 100 different total items here. And it goes through 52 pages. So it can get a total of pretty much 1,000 different items here. So that's incredible research. If you're really looking to dig into some sort of product niche and really analyze other people's products so you can come up with really good ideas for your marketing, this is an incredible tool. So let's go ahead and just pause this here. And if you think about it, could you imagine trying to actually manually research like 1,000 items on Amazon? It would take forever, probably take you months to do something like that, right? Where you just saw this software just took it down and extract out that information in like seconds. And again, we do have the button where you can just click Get More Data. And here you can see it's grabbing the rank. This is the overall rank in the category it was selected there. And again, you can get the weight of the products and whether or not it's shipped by Amazon or the fulfillment system. Let's go ahead and just pause that. And as with the other software, you do have the ability to preview all the products right away. So you just click that preview button, and there we go with that report. One thing I did forget to mention is in this interactive report, there is a search function, and it is real time. So you actually type in there. If you type like silicone or something like that, it'll actually do it in real time. So just like the software instant search, we also have the instant search built into the reports. And this is just an HTML file. You can throw this on any website if you'd like. If you want to, show these products from your website and maybe charge access to it, like a monthly fee or something like that. So there's a lot of different ways you can actually utilize these reports, and they're nice and handy. You can sort with them, and you can see the ranks, and you can actually click and see the corresponding products right over and take a quick look at the product on Amazon. And all the same features, so you've got your filters, your instant search. We also have this new feature in the software where if you've created a filter file, so let's say you just create a filter file of, you want to look at stuff that has a rating of greater than, say, 2. Well, I'll say 3. Add another column, and you want to see all products that have a list price of greater than $20. Click apply. And what you can do is you can actually save this filter file to your computer. So let's just save it here. And let's say you just did a search and you don't want to, enter in all those filters again real quick. So all you have to do is use this one button. You click that, load your filters, and boom, it's already done. So you just have to create your own filter files once and then just use it over and over again. So that's another added feature we put in there to make it really easy for you to filter out your data to get what you really need. Next, let's take a look at the brand new software tool we added to AmaSuite version 4, and we called it the Azon Review Finder. This is very powerful, and I designed it based on what Chris needed in his business to sell stuff on Amazon. He said it's very important that you get really good, high quality, positive reviews for your products in order to really make good money, to get your rankings up really high. And also, more specifically, he said we need to find people that can do video reviews. So these are the things that I integrated into the software. Let's just take a quick look. There's actually 2 separate little sections in here. There's the top ranked and also the product section. So let's start with the top ranked. Now what this does, it extracts from a specific place on Amazon.com or Amazon UK site. There's a page there where they show you the top 10,000 reviewers by rank according to Amazon.com, and also the 10,000 reviewers by rank on the .uk site. So let's go ahead and see how this works. And really all you have to do is just click one button and the magic starts to happen. You can see here it goes in and grabs the rank, the reviewer's name, also the number of reviews they've done. So let's go ahead and pause that there. The amount of helpful votes they've got from people that have read the reviews, how many of those votes were actually helpful, and also the fan voters. This is another really valuable piece of data that's offered on the Amazon.com site, where it basically tells you these are the people that keep coming back and keep voting for that particular reviewer. So that's sort of like an unbiased variable that helps you identify the really, really good reviewers. So that's a really important piece of data there. Now, as you can see over here, you can get a whole bunch of additional data. And all you have to do, kind of similar to the other program, just click this Get More Data or Extract More Data. And it's going to go out and grab the reviewer's email, their website link, the location where they live, also the interests they have. In particular, they usually list the interests of what they want to review, whether or not they do a video review. So this is what Chris Guthrie really wanted. He's like, we need something like this. And in fact, I don't even think there's any other software online that can do this. So what the software is doing, it's checking to see if that reviewer has left a video review in the last 10 reviews that they've given. Another really important piece of data we've integrated here is the last 10 average. What that means is, what is the average rating of the last 10 reviews this particular reviewer has done? So, for example, let's say, for this one here, it looks like this reviewer has left a 5-star rating for all the previous 10 reviews that they've done. So that's the review you really want to go after. You want to try to find people like that will give you a 5-star rating. And you can see they also give a video review. And these are the 2 pieces of information that Chris really needed in order to pinpoint the perfect reviewer he needed in order for his products to sell very well. And so you can easily just go ahead and sort just like the other software. And we also have all the other things in here. We can use the filters and whatnot. But here's another really awesome feature. Just like before, you still have that instant search. But let's say you want to dig in really quick and look for something, say, in electronics. So now I can see what reviewers or which reviewers would be interested in reviewing electronics if I was selling some sort of electronic device. And I got their email address. I can go out and just click this and just send them an email and just ask if they want to review it. I can quickly see who has done video reviews and their average rating. So that's just amazing information that would take forever to find. Trust me, Chris was doing it manually. He said he had to go through like hundreds and hundreds of reviews and reviewer profiles to try to find ones that actually leave an email. So this information is only given if the reviewer puts it within their review profile and makes it public. So now let's say, for example, they didn't give out an email. We can always just click on a link here and go to their website and just take a look to see if you could find somewhere where it says contact me. And actually on this particular website here, you can see they actually have a contact form right at the bottom. So you can easily just contact this reviewer to see if they want to review your products. In addition, you also have the nice little convenient preview tool here, so you can just go ahead and preview all the different profile images and see all the information in that interactive report, just like the other software. So what I want to do next is show you this other one here. This is just as important, the products tool. So let's just go ahead and delete the filters and clear this out and go to the products. Now what does this do? In order to show you this, let's bring back up the Azon Top 100 Analyzer here. And I've just sorted here by the number of reviews here on another search we did in this video. So I'm just going to go ahead and select some products. Let's select 3 of them. And you right click and you want to select copy selected product links. So let's click that and go back over here. And you click this extract from products. So click that and you right click and paste in here like this and click go. Now what is it doing now? Now the software is actually going to those products and it's extracting the top 5 most helpful product reviews for that product. Now why is this so important? Well, let's say that we're trying to sell something within the barbecue niche. I believe that's what we were looking at here, different barbecue grills and things like that. So say we need to get a reviewer to review our barbecue product. This is how you do it. You come in here and you can look at the most helpful product reviews, try to find reviewers that are leaving information here and try to contact them. Right now, I've already found this reviewer, the email address, another one down here, some websites. So you see how valuable this is, and we can select someone that has, actually, unfortunately, none of these people are actually doing video reviews, but that's okay. We can go ahead and see which one of these reviewers is giving out high reviews. But you can see just how valuable it is. And you can also select to do more reviews per product. So we just did 5. You can go all the way up to 100 if you'd like, or even all of them. That would take a long time because some of them have thousands of reviews, but you get the idea. You can also extract by the newest product reviews or the most helpful. So that's another very, very powerful feature of this software. And you can see just how valuable it is. It's really difficult to get reviewers to come and review your product if you can't even find their email. But with this software, it cuts out so much time. We're talking hours and hours of time searching around for emails and people's profiles or trying to find someone that can review a product. It's just really difficult. But using the Azon Review Finder, it's really simple and super fast. So after seeing the full demonstration of all those software products, you're going to start to see the true power and the true value in this software package. It can really help you as an Amazon seller or an Amazon affiliate. Now, in addition to getting all 4 of these software products as part of AmaSuite version 4, we also have several added bonuses. The first bonus you'll be getting as well is the AmaSync WordPress plugin. This is a really nice plugin you just throw in your WordPress site and you simply just copy and paste the products that you find using the AmaSuite software right into the plugin, and it will pump out all the products right onto your blog with your affiliate link built right into it. So that's a powerful way of earning commissions as an Amazon affiliate by setting up really quick product websites. In addition, you'll be getting the Amazon affiliate training course where Chris Guthrie takes you through all the different things he does to make money as an Amazon affiliate. And as you saw in this video, he's made well over $100,000 from the Amazon Associates program. So there's a whole bunch of modules here of training that you can follow. And the brand new course, the Amazon Sellers Training Course, where Chris again takes you through the process of how he goes out and private labels products, how to find them, and how to deal with all the stuff you need to do to get your physical product business running. And this is such an awesome business model because the fact that, Chris doesn't actually have to warehouse any of his product. Amazon does everything. They even do customer support. It's awesome. It's sort of like a digital business that you don't need to support. It's just amazing. So he goes through all the different different techniques and methods he used to create all that money by selling physical products on Amazon. Now, we know a lot of people have a lot of questions about selling on Amazon. So Chris has already done 2 live question and answer webinars that AmaSuite users can watch right within their members area right now. And we'll be having more Q&A webinars as we go on. In addition, you're going to get his companion guide. And in this guide, he shows you basically 11 ways to make more money from your Amazon affiliate program. So that's a really cool little report. And we also have a massive WordPress training video course in here as well, which is basically just under 160 videos. So that's really handy if you want to learn more about WordPress and how you can utilize that for your affiliate marketing with Amazon. And we offer a full 30-day money-back guarantee. So basically, if you're not satisfied with the software or our training in any way, then basically we don't deserve to get paid, period. That's how we like doing business with our customers. So if you have any problems at all, just go ahead and contact us and we'll take care of the refund for you immediately. And currently, as you can see on this page you're looking at, we're offering a massive discount offer, but it is for a limited time. So you're going to have to take action right now in order to take advantage of this special discount offer before it ends. Now, you might be thinking that this might not be for you, but have you ever had a big dream where you want to make a lot of money? Well, this is that opportunity. Right now, you can actually be making 5 figures per month from a side business that you've only dreamed of. We're going to be handing you the keys to success, where Chris Guthrie is going to take you through step by step on how you can build your own physical product business on Amazon right now. So today is the day to take action and live that dream. So on behalf of myself, Dave Gwyndon, and Chris Guthrie, we want to thank you for watching this short presentation and visiting our website, and hopefully you take advantage of this special discount offer today, and we'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.